Good evening, everybody. It's BaySMR here, and I'm just sitting at my art table, and I figured I'd do a quick haul video. You can see that I got a few things from Marc Jacobs, and figured I would do a little unboxing and a show and tell. And there's just a few things here. They were having a really good sale, and I just couldn't resist because there's a few items that I really love from Marc Jacobs, and one of them is their Fineliner. It is the ultra skinny gel eye crayon, and this one is in 28 fine wine. I'm still trying to grow out my nails. You can see they're still pretty short, but definitely longer than they've been in a long time. So let's open this up and see what we got. Oh, that one has tape on it. Okay. Let's open on this side. Let's move the camera facing straight on. I think my lens is a little dirty. Probably needs to be cleaned. This is not very easy to open. Oh, we can do it from this side. Here we go. And these eyeliners are really skinny, and they are gel. They go on really smooth, and they last a really long time. So they're definitely one of my favorite formulas for eyeliner. And you just twist up. And they're really skinny and flat, but you can still get a really good point in line with them. It goes on so easy, and then it's like almost glossy, and you can see it's still really shiny. And if you leave it there, it'll set and it will not come off. It's a really good formula. But if you do want to smudge it, you want to work really quickly, because once it sets, it's not going anywhere. So we will set that over here. See if I can put this back. I was getting ready to do my nails, and I've been using this tea tree oil treatment on my fingernails and my toenails, and these to try to make them healthier and grow out. And it also, the kit comes this one from Amazon, I think, about 6 months ago, and it works really well and lasts a long time. But you usually start out. Sorry for the tangent. We'll get back to the makeup in a second. But you start with the cuticle oil. And I just put a dot on the tops of each one of my nails. And then I just rub it in. It smells kind of like tea tree oil. I'm guessing that's probably what it is. And then we just do the other side. Just a small dot on the top of each nail. Now we just rub it in. And then with the excess, just rub it into my hands. Okay. Close that back up. I really like the sounds that nail polish bottles make when you cling them together. Let's get some coffee. Okay, the next item we have is another Fineliner, and this one is in 36 Dove Affair. I'm excited to see this color. I think I've seen it at Sephora before, but I can't remember if I've ever tested it. This is just another Fineliner eyeliner pen. You can see it's kind of a gray purple color. And my hands are so oily now, I'm gonna have trouble opening this. I just have to twist this for a while. There we go. So we'll put that right next to the other one. And you can see it's kind of like a grayish mauve. It's a really nice color. So I think I got these for $12. That is a really good deal because normally I think they're $24. So it's a good price. They were sold out of a lot of the colors, but I managed to get 2 that I wanted. So the last item we have is a sheer gel lipstick. It's Marc Jacobs New Nudes, and this is in the color 146 and 9. And basically this is a line of sheer nude lip colors. I usually tend to only wear nude lipsticks and glosses. Oh wow, this feels really nice and heavy. It feels expensive. This was $19.20. Normally I think it's closer to 30 something. Packaging is really nice and heavy. So here's the color. It's kind of a beige taupey nude. We can swatch that over here. Oh, that's really pretty. It's actually pretty pigmented for being a sheer lip color. It smells kind of vanilla-y. Let me try it on. It tastes similar to like a MAC lipstick. And it's really pretty. It feels like basically just a regular lipstick, except it's got a lot of sheen to it. If I really like this, I might go back and see if they have more. Oh wow, it magnetizes. I really like when the caps are magnetized like this because they stay on a lot better, and they don't come loose in your bag or your pocket. But if I end up really liking this, I'll go back on the website and see if they still have some of the other colors available. I'm pretty sure that all the Marc Jacobs line is on sale on Sephora as well. But you're more likely to get a better selection of colors on the actual Marc Jacobs website. Which is what I did because they were sold out of all this stuff on Sephora. But I'm lucky I was able to get it on the Marc Jacobs site. So that was it, just a quick little haul and unboxing. And I hope everyone's doing good. We're still sheltering in place here in San Francisco. And I am still not able to go back to work, unfortunately. So I'm just waiting on unemployment to come rescue me, like many of you. And just trying to keep myself busy with exercise and doing art and making a video now and then. So let me know if you have any special requests or suggestions. If you want me to make like any kind of favorites videos or show and tells about anything regarding skincare or makeup or beauty, anything in particular. I have a pretty large inventory of many makeup and beauty products, so please feel free to leave me a comment if you have any requests or ideas. Otherwise, I want to thank you so much for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe. Feel free to leave me a comment. And I will see you all again